Where's that money, Lebowski? We want that money, Lebowski! Buddy said you're good for it! Where's the money, Lebowski? Where's the money, Lebowski? Where's the fucking money, shithead?
It's down there somewhere. Let me take another look.
Don't fuck with us! If your wife owes money to Jackie Treehorn, that means you owe money to Jackie Treehorn.
Ever thus to deadbeats, Lebowski.
No, don't. Not on the rug, man.
See? See what happens, Lebowski? See what happens?
Nobody calls me Lebowski. You got the wrong guy. I'm the dude, man.
Your name's Lebowski, Lebowski. Your wife is Bunny.
My wife? Bunny? Did you see a wedding ring on my finger? Does this place look like I'm fucking married? The toilet seat's up, man.
Fuck is this?
Obviously, you are not a golfer.
Woo?
Yeah?
Isn't this guy supposed to be a millionaire?
Fuck.
Yeah. What do you think?
He looks like a fucking loser.
Hey, at least I'm housebroken.
Fucking time waster.
Thanks a lot, asshole.